Hey guys, Gilbert and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to download and install the MT4 application. MT4 is the application you use to trade forex. Okay, so let's get straight to it. There are so many ways you can download MT4 app. Okay, so there are so many brokers out there, but you need to download this for you need to find a broker that you like, and then you download your MT4 application from them. Now, the broker that I personally like and I personally use is XM. Okay, but guys, there are so many brokerage firms and then brokers out there that you have to choose one that you like personally. Okay, with that said, guys, let's head to how to download MT4. So when you get to your broker's website, you should locate where the app is, the MT4 platform. Okay, so let's see right here, MT4, MT5, XM web trader. So the one we are going to download, or the one we're going to choose, is the MT4. So you just click on view our platforms, and you're going to come down to the bottom here, and then you choose you want. Maybe you want to download this for your phone or your PC or your Mac. You can choose all the options out here. So MT4 for PC or MT4 for Mac, MT4 for iPhone, for Android. So in my case, I use a Windows PC, so I'm going to choose this for PC. Okay, so we're just going to click the download. Save. So that's it, guys. It's just completed. I'm not going to install it at the moment because I already have XM on my computer. So what I'll show you guys is we go straight to the app, and then I'm going to show you how it works.